Amazfit Active, launched in India, features 1.75-inch AMOLED display and AI coach. Amazfit Active, which was unveiled on Wednesday, will be available in India in 3 color variants and is scheduled for release later this week. Sporting a 1.75-inch AMOLED display, it's fully compatible with the Zepp App. Notably, it comes equipped with the AI-powered Zepp Coach, offering personalized training assistance. The Amazfit Active boasts a 1.75-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 390 by 450 pixels and a pixel density of 341 ppi. Its standout feature is the AI-driven Zepp Coach, aiding users in tailoring their training routines based on various factors like fitness level, fatigue, and training history. Similar to other health and fitness trackers, the Amazfit Active offers 24/7 monitoring of heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, and stress levels. Data collected from these trackers can be seamlessly synced with the Zepp app. Additionally, it supports over 120 sports modes. Connectivity-wise, the smartwatch features GPS and Bluetooth connectivity and comes pre-installed with Amazon Alexa as a smart assistant. Weighing in at 24 grams, it's touted as a lightweight device with an aluminum middle frame and silicone straps. The lavender purple variant, featuring vegan leather straps, weighs slightly more at 27 grams. The Amazfit Active smartwatch will be offered in lavender purple, midnight black, and petal pink hues at 12,999 Indian rupees in India. Sales will kick off on February 10th via Amazon and the Amazfit India website.